Setting: Community Health Center. You're meeting a parent of 6-year-old daughter who has been offered a flu vaccination. He needs more information regarding the flu vaccination. The daughter is not present. Let's look into the task now. First one says, know the reason for the parent's visit. Second one says, explain about flu vaccination. That is, protection of developing immune system, most effective against common strains of viruses and reduces the spread of flu. Third one says, explain the possible severity of flu, high fever, cough, painful joints, potential complications like bronchitis and pneumonia. Fourth one says, explain the side effects of flu vaccination, runny nose, headache, tiredness. Fifth one says, reassure the parent that the flu vaccination is safe. Serious side effects are usually uncommon. Sixth one says, find out the daughter's relevant medical history, any reaction to previous vaccination and current health issues. Seventh one says, confirm the flu vaccination is safe for asthmatic patients. Warn about the effect of flu on asthmatic patients. It triggers the symptoms in majority of asthmatic. It also increases the likelihood of severe attack of asthma. The last one says, strongly recommend the flu vaccination. Let's begin the role play. We can start like, hi, good morning. I'm Smith, one of the registered nurses working in this healthcare center. Please be seated. May I know the reason behind your visit? Then interlocutor may respond by saying, good morning, nurse. I got an information from the healthcare center saying that the flu vaccination is available for children. I have a daughter. I need to understand that if this vaccination is available for her. That is why I'm here to understand more about it. Then respond to the interlocutor. I'm glad to explain the details regarding the flu vaccination. How may I address you for a better communication? Then interlocutor may respond to saying, you can call me Henry. Then respond to him. Thank you, Mr. Henry. How old is your daughter? Then interlocutor may respond to saying, she is almost 6 years old. Then continue by saying, okay, Mr. Henry, now let me explain you the importance of flu vaccination for your daughter. This vaccination is generally safe and it is a crucial way to protect your child from a potentially serious health risk. The flu vaccination protects the developing immune system, therefore your child will be more immune resistant. Apart from that, the flu vaccine is really effective against the most common strains of viruses and provides a complete protection to your child. It also helps in controlling the spread of flu. I hope you're following me. The interlocutor may respond by saying, okay, Miss, I understand that. Can you please explain me what are the complications of flu? Then respond him saying, okay, Mr. Henry, your thoughts are reasonable. Do not worry, I'll explain you the possible complications of flu. First of all, it is a very contagious viral infection that affects the air passages of the lungs in the children. As you know that, flu is a respiratory disease, but it can affect the whole body. A child can become suddenly ill with some symptoms like high fever, sore throat, body aches, cough and other symptoms. That is, your daughter may experience high fever followed by persistent cough. She may also suffer severe joint pains along with other potential complications like bronchitis and pneumonia. Okay, Mr. Henry, I hope you're clear now. Then interlocutor may respond by saying, yes, miss, I was not really aware of it. However, I came to know that people can have serious side effects, so can you please shed some light on it? Then respond him saying, your worries are quite understandable, Mr. Henry. Yes, there will be some mild side effects such as runny nose, headache, tiredness, etc. Let me explain you why the vaccination is having the side effects. The flu shot is made with an inactivated flu virus and we inject these viruses safely into the body so that your body's immune system can work against influenza. It develops the immunity for becoming tolerant to the respective viruses. However, I can assure you that the flu vaccine is safe and has no chance of getting any serious side effects. Okay, Mr. Henry, are you following me? Then interlocutor may agree with that. Then continue by saying, I would also like to know some more details regarding your daughter. Is that okay with you, Mr. Henry? Then interlocutor may agree with that. Then continue by asking, does she have any reaction to any vaccination? Then interlocutor may respond by saying, no, nurse. She has never experienced any kinds of reaction to any sort of vaccinations. Then respond to him, good to hear that. Henry, does she have any health issues currently? The interlocutor may respond by saying, yes, nurse, she is asthmatic. So, is this vaccine safe for asthmatic patients? Then respond to him, your thoughts are reasonable, Mr. Henry. If I were in your position, I would be upset too. Mr. Henry, flu vaccination is completely safe for asthmatic. However, I would also like to remind you about the effects of flu on asthmatic patients. Let me explain you in detail. For people with asthma, having the flu can increase the risk of asthma attack. The flu can affect lungs of asthmatic. It can cause swelling and narrowing of the airways. Therefore, the flu viruses can trigger symptoms in the majority of asthmatic patients. Therefore, it is highly recommended to take this flu vaccination for your daughter. I hope you follow me, Mr. Henry. The interlocutor may respond to saying, yes, nurse, I got a better idea now. I will definitely bring my daughter to have this vaccination sooner. Then respond to him, okay, Mr. Henry, I am happy to know that you understood the importance of flu vaccination. Then, if the interlocutor does not have any more questions or concern, we can wind up the roleplay by giving a short summary. Okay, Mr. Henry, so far we've been discussing about the flu vaccination and its importance. I hope you understand that. If you have any more questions or concern, please feel free to contact me at any time. I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you, Mr. Henry, for listening to me patiently. I wish you a great day ahead. Thank you, guys. Our roleplay ends here.